Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, place your left hand to the chair for support. Reach your right arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Reach your left arm up and overhead and lower. Continue flowing with this movement, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. With your hands to your thighs, begin to gently rotate from right to left, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.